Hey there, welcome back to another day here working on the transit. It's a beautiful sunny day here, nice and warm. I don't have to bundle up anymore. So today I'll be working on the struts and basically finish up everything I need in the front end. The cowl, get that reassembled, tranny oil filled in, and just go over everything, make sure everything's nice and tight and everything's bolted down. And whatever I have to still do inside, I think it was just the center console and clean out the interior. That's about it. And then give it a good wash. So yeah, let's get to work. So I got brand new struts here, the little end piece right there, battery kind of end piece. I got the strut compressor thing, so we'll have it nice and easy. And yeah, so you see you have to button up the bumper, and I think I forgot to plug in the right there, the temp sensor, so you gotta plug that in. And then just a few things around here and there, and then finish up the interior, clean it up, make it nice and clean. And yeah, so almost done. Oh. So in the back here, the strut is basically, or the knuckle has a little hole in there to kind of separate it to get a strut down. There's a little trick to doing it. You get the bolt right there, the bolt that you just took out from the other side. You screw it in this on this side, and then you get either a big screwdriver or something that you could stick in there in the back. So I just tighten this up a little bit so that piece is in there. And then it comes off. You don't have to pry in any, you don't have to put in some kind of screwdriver or something and twist it to get it off. All you do is just put the bolt on the other side, run it through the thread, put something in the hole right there, so it'll block, so it'll be pressing against something, and it just separates it. That's like the easiest one that easiest way to remove it so far that I came across with. So let's get the strut off from the top and it's out. So to remove the strut from the top, you do have to remove the wiper motor. I put it back in and then I forgot. No, I kind of forgot for a second and I need it off. But that's fine. So there's two bolts here. They're T30 bolts. So let's then we got here three 13mm bolts. And it's out. Just as easy as that. Yeah, I guess this is how it's supposed to work. It's not supposed to come out. This is how a good one works. Push it in. And it slowly comes out. That one is solid. Now I gotta put the sway bar back in.
and that's it. That's how you replace the strut on the connect. It was a lot easier because I had the cowl off already, so that saved me a little bit of time. But other than that, this is probably one of the, not the easiest, but close to easier strut swaps that I have done. The easiest one was probably the Acadia, because everything's in the open. It's like just unbolt everything, drop it, take it out, put a new one back in, and bolt it up, and you're good to go. There's nothing to remove on top because all the bolts are exposed, and on the bottom it's easy. You just lower it down. There's not holding it back like on Golf GTI that I did. That was just that was a nightmare. So yeah, one side's done. Let's go get the other side done. So here we're gonna put this shield back in here. So it just pops right in back there. Get the wiper motor back in. Alrighty, so we got the end shield installed, well, which is the water spout or whatever you call it. Then I got all the motors and all that hooked up. Then got the battery, this cover right here replaced, intake hooked up, everything hooked up here. So now time to install this cowl piece.